All right, welcome back on our Monday. Our Monday has certainly looked and felt like what you might think a Monday would feel like. It has been cloudy, gray, temperatures generally in the mid-30s. First alert weather day, two of them Thursday and Friday. Again, low pressure moving into the region. We'll see some rain, perhaps a brief period of mixed precipitation, snow, and all that will be accompanied by pretty windy conditions at times, especially Thursday and Friday. So again, wintry weather returns finally. It's been a while. That rain developing on Wednesday afternoon and evening, and that's going to be, again, for the most part for our region, is just going to be rainfall. The western part of the state, especially the western third of the state, really going to get in that snow early, but not here in our region. Thursday, rain for most areas. We'll start to see snow creep in from west to east during the late afternoon, evening hours. I think it's Friday morning. We're going to see a changeover in Fargo. We're talking early Friday morning, changeover to the mix of precipitation and then eventually snow along with those strong winds. I think we're looking at a window of about 2 a.m. to 5 a.m., but it is going to be a pretty quick conversion to snow. So in terms of any concern with icy conditions, I don't think that's going to be a part of this system. Just a brief period where it could get, we'll see that mix of rain and snow. Then on Friday, may see a few areas of heavy snow. However, I think with that, we're going to watch our temperatures. Just because we might see heavy snow come down in some areas doesn't mean a lot of accumulation, just because of the fact still ground is warm and even the air temperature is going to be dropping just below that freezing mark. 36 degrees right now in Fargo. South-southeast wind at 13 miles per hour. Grand Forks 35 degrees with a south wind of 11 miles per hour. Why am I showing you this shot here in Mahnomen? It's just because we actually have some blue skies. So many of us stuck in the cloud cover. I at least wanted to show you something to let you know we do have some blue out there in a few spots. Take a look at our visibility. Again, a lot of areas it's a mile or less, including Roseau, Hallock, Jamestown, Oaks, about a 1.5 mile visibility. So some still dealing with fog, a lot of cloud cover around the region as well. Look at our first alert forecast for the next 24 hours. We're going to find more fog, more low cloud cover tomorrow morning and really throughout the day tomorrow. Could get a few breaks here and there. Overnight lows are going to be mild. We're looking at lows in the low to even mid-30s. It's very unusual for this time of year, though recently we've seen a lot of that. Highs tomorrow could hit low to mid-40s in some areas. It really depends on if we get any of that sunshine. Then Tuesday night and Wednesday, we're right back to the fog and low clouds. Highs tomorrow, and again, a lot of this depends on if we can get some sunshine. We may stay in the mid to upper 30s if it stays like this. Long range forecast take you to Wednesday night. Rain starts spreading into the region. Thursday morning, generally just rain, but you see that snow, this area shaded in blue, starting to move closer and closer to the region. Even Thursday afternoon, mainly rain, but notice that shift for many areas. Early Friday morning, that area in pink, a rain snow mix, and then it's all snow from Friday morning on. Eventually, the system exits by Saturday afternoon. Snowfall accumulation potential. Again, what we've got here is areas shaded in darker. Areas just expecting to get more accumulation than areas east. The problem right now is we're still several days out. Temperatures still going to be warm for a period of time, so even with that heavier snow coming down, doesn't necessarily mean we're going to see a lot in the way of accumulation. One thing we will see Thursday night and Friday, we are going to see snow. So roads could be a little slick out there. Saturday, snow flurries. Then after that, notice this, Stacy, it kind of stays in the mid-20s to low 30s. This is still above normal for this time of year, but a lot closer to what we'd expect to feel for this time of year.
It is. We're dropping. We've been talking in the newsroom about there's some Frostival events going on tomorrow. Tomorrow's your day. It's still in the 40s. Like, yeah, we're hanging on to it.
Right.
Thanks, Russ. Well, it's the biggest betting day of the year next. How Vegas casinos are getting ready for all those ready to place bets on the Super Bowl.